Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Franco, and for today's video, we're going to talk about what is the difference between utility worker and maintenance as a Wilcon depot. So let's get to the video. What is the difference between utility and maintenance at Wilcon depot? Kasi dati nalilito din ako niyan, nalilito din talaga ako. Sabi ko, ano kaya yun? So, kailangan kong ni-research ko, ni-search ko sa Google, what is utility and what is maintenance? What is utility worker? So, syempre, ako naman kasi malikot ang isip at overthinker. So, I had to check it out if what does it really mean. And yeah, I found it and nagkaroon ako ng idea. And to answer your questions, kasi may nagtatanong kasi sa akin kung ano daw yung difference ng utility worker at maintenance. So, to answer your question, na wala namang pasikot-sikot pa, ang utility worker kasi at maintenance kasi ay may similarity. Okay? Pareho lang sila ng ibig sabihin. Pero yung utility worker and maintenance ay magkaiba ng description. Magkaiba ng job description. So, I'm going to explain that to you right now. Utility worker, ikaw yung nagkakamada. Okay? Ikaw yung naghahatid ng customers outside sa pamamagitan ng troller. Okay? Ng troller. What do you call this? Cart. Okay? So, cart. Ihahatid mo yung customers kasi you're going to put sa cart yung 60 by 60, 20 by 20, 40 by 40, 35 by 35, ganun 20 by 20. So lahat ng mga ino-order ng customers, ihahatid mo yun sa labas, tapos ilalagay niyo yun sa kotse nila. Okay? Yun yung ginagawa ng utility worker. Yung iba namang utility worker na mga kasama ninyo, nagkakamada. So that's what you're going to do as well. Okay, nagkakamada sila. Kapag may dumadating na delivery, supply, na galing sa Montalban, kasi lahat kasi ay nanggaling sa Montalban. So, nagkakaroon lang kayo ng warehouse dyan para tambakan kapag in case you need more tiles. Okay? So, kailangan ng supply para hindi na mag-aantay ang customers sa store ninyo. So, kuhanin nyo na lang sa warehouse. So, malapit lang naman ang warehouse ninyo kasi kadalasan sa mga Wilcon ngayon ay may mga warehouse ng sarili. Hindi na kailangan na mag-antay pa ng delivery na lahat yung mga malalaking trailer na dumadating minsan sa inyo is may anim na paleta, merong 7 paleta. So, whole day, ikakamada nyo yun. So, yung utility, yun as a utility worker, that's what you're going to do for 8 hours. So aside from that, you're going to assist customers. You have to pile up, magkakamada nga, and magpupunasan mo yung mga display, and mag-assist ka ng customers, tatanong ng customers kung anong kailangan nila, and then some of the customers would ask, and minsan yung iba may dala ng mga basag na tiles, and then the customers will show you yung basag na tiles kung meron pang available na ganito, but you have to put in your mind na there are SKU na tinatawag natin. Maaring pareho sila ng pangalan, pareho sila ng brand, but magkaiba sila ng shade or SKU. Kasi minsan merong beige, na merong light beige, merong dark beige, may dark brown, may light brown, may black, minsan para siyang black pero meron din siyang light black or whatever, gray or whatsoever. So you have to mind it, talagang tatandaan nyo talaga na may pagkakaiba. So yun ang ginagawa bilang isang utility worker. Ang maintenance naman ay ang ginagawa ng maintenance, ayun po yung naglilinis ng building. Katulad ng paglilinis ng toilet, yung mga kalat sa loob ng store. Yan ang ginagawa nila. And doon sa parking lot, nililinisan nila yun kapag may mga kalat. And meron ding isa na maintenance, which is, dalawa kasi ibig sabihin na maintenance sa Wilcon eh. Merong maintenance na he or she focusing on electrical engineering. So, he has to know what is electrical engineering. Kasi like for example, kapag may mga nasisira na ilaw, he has to replace it. Diba? Papalitan niya yun. And he have to fix kung ano yung nasisira. Katulad sa mga electric wire, electrical circuit, di ba? Yung mga nasisirang gano'n. At pag nagkaroon ng blackout, siya yung mag-manage doon. So, yun lang ang difference nila. Ikaw bilang isang utility worker, nagkakamada, nagre-receive ng nag-help ng customers, naghahatid ng customers. Yun ang ginagawa ng utility worker. Okay, to wrap it up, utility worker, nagkakamada, naghatid ng customers, at nagpipick up ng mga orders ng customers doon sa floor stock. Ang isang maintenance ay naglilinis ng building, ng toilet, ng mga kalat. Okay, yung isa namang maintenance is he or she more on electrical engineering. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and see you for the next video.